thought that camera and all that stuff was worship.
Nice. Yeah. It's just an iPhone.
Oh yeah. I was joking with him like I thought we were gonna do an open gym on camera.
No, you would not lose. He's line screening. He's at the score.
Well, the live stream's not working, so the score. I like that. It's so much better to watch.
Yeah.
If you watch afterwards, you at least know what's going on. Right?
Try to get access to Huddle. Download, it will be the fastest.
Sorry, the upload Huddle.
Go, girls. Go, girls.
Olivia. Do it again. That was a good serve. Go, Olivia. Good run. Get it back, girls. I get it. Old man would let it go. Young person. Oh, that's good. Play.
Say it was outside the net.
I couldn't tell.
I was looking at it.
Serve. Block that. It might be a little excessive right now. Get him up! doesn't want to. She thinks she's a man. Yes.
They change the rules for the rotation.
Good.
As soon as whoever is serving throws the ball, you can go to your spot.
Oh, as long as the ball's in the air.
Yeah, it used to be they're gonna make a comment.
Is that really a change? 'Cause I'm pretty sure they all did that before. That's what I used to watch them do all the time. See the ball goes up there.
It was like 1 year tryout. It's like second ball, you can do doubles, nobody's gonna come. As long as it stays in the court.
Go to call.
Keep it going, Nicole.
Got the ball. Right, the referee, never mind.
He wasn't really paying attention. Oh, jeez. One went out, he called the hit. The ref was like this.
That is funny. It's gonna get ugly.
We played the game before, we were playing Avalanche twice.
Yeah.
Let's go, Thunder!
Keep going. Yes. Good swing. Let's go to goal. ball. Oh man, now we gotta go to the very tight side.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Remember what did she do?
Don't worry about it.
I'm good. Maybe it's because nobody wants to sit with you guys.
Yeah, we like that too.
How close are we? Just starting? Who won the first one?
Thunder.
Thunder?
Who are you guys playing in the final?
I don't know who we play in the final. I shouldn't be as coach. I should know all that, but I spent the last 2 days.
Summertime, man.
Yeah, exactly. And I put in 32 hours in the last 2 days so I could have today off from farming. I farm full time.
Wow.
So I am tired both. And both my assistant coaches have been they're young, they're both from university. Our colleagues, one calls up and says, my car's in the shop. So I find out that Deer Rock Lake was a family fishing. You know everything. I don't know why they try and show you. So then the other one says, I popped a tire on my mom's car. I'm thinking, yeah, right. So we arranged for her to be picked up. Second set just started. Pretty one-sided. Yeah. I think we play on this court, right? You know, I guess I should be over there stepping. My assistants aren't here. I have to be a good role model when they're around. Here we go.
Maya. Good run, Maya.
think so. I can't read the score, but it's really one-sided. So, 19-3. Yes, they should be warming up solid.
We're gonna start right after, even though that game just finished. Like,
Yep.